Now, before I make the deposit here, I do want to tell you about Webull's current free stock promotion because it is based on the dollar amount that you deposit when you open up your brokerage account. And do keep in mind, they change this promotion all of the time. So if you want to view the most current Webull promotion, you can click my affiliate link in the description below. But the current Webull promotion is based on depositing a certain dollar value and then maintaining that balance for at least 30 days. And then you will receive either 20 free fractional shares or 75 total. You have to deposit $500 and above to receive the 20 free fractional shares. And if you want to receive a total of 75 free fractional shares, you have to deposit $25,000 or more and then maintain that balance in your Webull account for 30 days. And it does mention that the free stocks are worth between $3,000 and $3,000 each, but I did want to show you here the current odds of receiving the fractional shares of certain values. And 92% of people are going to get the $3 value, 4% are going to get a $4 value, 2% are going to get a $5 value, 1.52% of people are going to get a $12 value, and then in terms of getting a 30, a 60, 100 or above, it is a fraction of 1%. So most people who do this are going to get free stocks worth between $3 to $5. A small handful will get $12 value, but a very small number of people are actually getting those shares that are valued at $3,000, for example. But that's how most things like this are, where your odds are going to be very small of getting that grand prize. However, if you do decide to deposit $500 or more and get those 20 free fractional shares, based on that, the minimum value is going to be $60 here, which is more than 10% of the amount you're depositing. So that's actually a pretty good bang for your buck